Welcome, amazing friends, and I'm going to teach you how to solve this beautiful equation. It's so easy, okay? And don't forget to tell us how it helps you. And the interesting part is that I'm going to teach you how to check for the solution. It's going to be amazing. And to do this, you are going to begin with solution, okay? Now, this is what you have. You carefully observe that these are multiplying. So just remember this rule of your exponent, which says that for every a to the power of m multiplied by this, it is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Whenever the bases are the same and are multiplying, quickly add the powers. So this is going to guide us. Now, to answer this question, you observe that the bases are the same. So we're going to have 3 to the power of a. This will turn to addition, okay, is equal to 72. Interesting. Now we're still going to have, add this, we are going to have 3 to the power of 3a is equal to 72. Now, just remember for every a to the power of m raised to power of n, it is a to the power of mn. The powers will multiply. Now, when you have this, you can rewrite it to be 3 to the power of 3 to the power of a is equal to 72. So that when you multiply this, it gives you back this, obeying this rule. Now, we keep simplifying this. We have 3 to the power of 3 is 3 multiplied 3 times, and that will give us 27 to the power of a is equal to 72. Now, to get this a, just quickly take the log of both sides. So we have log of 27 to the power of a is equal to log of 72. Now, what do you do? Just remember, for every log of a to the power of x, the power will multiply the log. So you have x log a, okay? So apply this rule here. At the left side, we have a log 27 is equal to log of 72. Interesting. Now you observe that these two are multiplying and you are to get a. So quickly remove your multiplication by division. So you divide both sides by log of 72 by log of 27, okay? So this is 27. Now these two can now cancel because they're the same, and we are left with a is equal to, we have log of 72 divided by log of 27. Now we can't leave this answer this way because it's not yet simplified. Now to simplify this, see what we have. And don't forget to like this video. Let's continue. Thank you. And to do this, we have a is equal to, now remember that 72, when you have 72, 72 is the same as 2 times 36. This will give us 2 and 18. This will give us 2 and 9. This will give us 3 and 3. So you observe that 72 will give us 2 will be 3 times. So we're going to have log of, for this 72, we have 2 is 3, okay, and 3 is 2. So we have multiplied by 3 to the power of 2, okay. Now, what if we have 27? We know too well that 27 is the same as 27 will give us 3 into 3 times, which is 3 to the power of 3. So we are going to substitute these values in this. So we have log of 72 will give us 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2. Interesting. And this will be divided by log of, our 27 is 3 to the power of 3. Interesting. Now, simplifying it further, just remember for every log of a multiplied by b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So we're going to apply this to simplify. And to do that, we have a will give us log of 2 to the power of 3 plus log of 3 to the power of 2 is divided by, this is log of 3 to the power of 3. Simplify more, we have a is equal to, now you observe that this power multiplies the log. So we're going to have 3 log 2 plus this power will multiply. So we have 2 log 3, and these numerators can be divided by this. We have divided by 3 log 3, and this will be divided by 3 log 3. Interesting. So we keep simplifying this. A is equal to, Now, this we have it as, you see that what we have here is 3, okay? This is 3 here, and this is 3. So 3 we cancel. We are left with log of 2 divided by log of 3. Interesting. And this is, we add it to this. You observe that these two are the same, so we can cancel it. And you are left with 2 on 3. Interesting. Now, what do you do? Just remember, for every log of a divided by log of b, it is log of a base b. This is your change of base rule. So apply it here to beautify it. We have a is equal to log of 2 base 3, okay? Then plus 2 third. Interesting. So this is the simplified form of this value of a. Now we're going to plot this value of a at the left side of the equation to see if it gives us 72. And this is the interesting part I wouldn't want you to miss. Now let's do this check together. So to do the check we have, so we check. Now you see that these are the same. So we're going to take one of these, okay, and plug this. Then when we are done, we multiply to see if it gives us 72. So to do the check we have, let's take 3 to the power of a. So plug this value in this. We are going to have 3 to the power of, our a is log of 2 base 3 plus 2 third. Interesting. Now, this is what we want to simplify. Remember, we said for every a to the power of m plus n, it is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So we're going to apply it here. This will give us 3 to the power of log of 2 base 3. This will turn to multiplication. So we have 3 to the power of 2 on 3. Interesting. Now, we keep simplifying this. Just also remember this rule of your logarithm that says for every a to the power of, each time you have a raised to power of log of b base a, you see that this base of the log and the general base are the same. It is always equal to this number b. Now you observe that for this, it is of this form. So when the base of the log and this are the same, your value should be these two. So we're going to simplify this to now have. So you observe that this will be equal to these two. So we have 2 multiplying 3 to the power of 2 third. Now this is for one of these, okay? This value is for when we have 3 to the power of a. Now we are going to put this for each of these. To do that, we are going to now have 3 to the power of a is this, okay? So let's put the cos sign. This is for this. So we're going to put this. So to have 3 to the power of a will be 2 multiplying 3 to the power of 2 third. That is for 1. Is multiplying by, this will give us 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 third. This is the second. Is multiplying by the third one. So we have 2 multiplying 3 to the power of 2 third, okay? Will this be equal to 72? Let's see to that. Now, what do you think we should do? You observe that these are all multiplying. So we can just gather them together to have 2 times 2 times 2, okay? 2 is 3, multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 third, multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 third, multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 third, okay? Now what do you do next? This will give us 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 8 to be multiplied by. Now you remember what we said here, obeying this. So we can have it as 3 to the power of 2 third. You can add the powers, okay? So let's add the powers. And to do that, we are going to have 8 will be multiplying 3 to the power. You see that the denominators are the same, so you can add the numerators. So when you add this, it gives you 4 plus this will give us 6 divided by 3. Interesting. Let's do it better. So we have 6 on 3, and that will give us 8 will be multiplying. This will give us 2. Okay, so we have 3 to the power of 2. And when you raise 3 to the power of 2, it's 3 times 3 to give us 9. So if you simplify further, you have 8, okay, times 9. And when you multiply this, it gives you 72. And that is what we have at the left side. So it means that our A to be equal to log of 2 base 3 plus 2 thirds is absolutely correct. And I hope this really helps you a lot. Don't forget to tell us how much. You can ask questions. I'll be there with you in the comment. If this helps you, share it so that others will learn with you. Thank you for always engaging. And don't forget to like this video. See you in our next class. Bye bye.